You're not recording. Tango down. Amazing snipe. I just got Cody in the head.
Alright, we got one person at the center. They're going back to the white containers.
You good, Cody?
Yep, it bounced right off my head. I was like,
That's good. Good thing you're wearing the hat. Let me know if you see anybody I could try to get. Oh.
Alright, one move from the white containers to the blue.
Alright. Hunter's on the corner here.
Alright, one's in the center. They're shooting at us. That orange flash. We got Mike by the trucks and the solar panels.
Alright, good. I got him dialed. Come on, Hunter. That would have been perfect if his head was there.
How's it going, Ryder?
Dude, no offense, but this thing's inaccurate as fuck.
Huh?
This thing's inaccurate as fuck.
Yeah, I know. I wish I had my suppressor for it. That would have helped. How's the gas on it?
Doesn't seem like it's dying too much.
That's good.
Yeah. Is that gonna charge him?
Guys, I could try to sneak around the campers a little more if you guys stay here.
Okay.
And then, if you want, we can try to get something going. Let me know if you guys see anything.
If I remember correctly, no one's in the camping area. Just run all the way to the end.
Okay. Where's he going?
Yeah, just be careful of Hunter shooting area.
I will. Tango down.
No one's there.
Nose out. Tango down. Who's left? I got him. Cody, Hunter, Noah are down. Where are they? Is it easy pickings? Here's that. Let me use your shield.
What?
Let me use your shield.
Oh, like that.
Yeah, get down on the ground. Okay, keep going. Alright, good.
What? He's scoring himself out.
Alright.
Sorry, is your name everyone else?
Yeah, I don't know why. Yeah, I crashed and then I threw up.